Hi, I'm Sheena from Chi Medicine Acupuncture in Moonee Ponds, and I'm here to show you your express Gua Sha facial treatment that you can do every morning or longer if you'd like at night, every day to have amazing glowing skin. So to start off, you want to clean your skin and your neck, wherever you want to work on, and then you want to put on your favorite serum. We use the anti-aging serum, green tea anti-aging serum in our clinic, and we absolutely love it, but something rich and that's quite moisturizing, and apply that all over your face and your neck. Then grab your Gua Sha, and using the long edge, you want to start on the neck, always working up and out. And to work on the neck, you can swipe up, right up through the neck muscles, right up to the base of the ear. You can even go behind the back of the neck too if you're having a little bit of neck pain, and just do that 4 or 5 times. You can repeat these moves as many times as you want, and on the other side. And that's actually going to help stimulate the neck muscles to help work on the jaw definition, help to clear out any lymphatic stagnation, so any puffiness. Also, you can work out under the jaw as well, just using the tip of the Gua Sha. And you can go right up behind the ear. You can work wherever you want. That's the beauty of Gua Sha. Working on the jaw, get the corner of the Gua Sha and work right up across the jaw, as many strokes as you want or as few as you want. If you're doing an express facial, you can do this whole routine in a minute. Working on the chin muscle, so the mentalis here. This does get a bit of a workout through the day, so relaxing it and massaging it is a great way to smooth everything out and clear out any lumps, bumps, or extra fluid. Come up right up under the cheekbone as well, right up to the ear, and this is going to help stimulate the skin in the area, the muscles, the joints, and especially if you've got TMJ or jaw problems, which a lot of us do. We work on that with acupuncture, and working on it with your Gua Sha stone in through this muscle here, the masseter muscle, is a great way to relax it. And both sides. You can work on your nasolabial lines here, which are your smile lines, by rubbing them out. And you want to use a bit of pressure. Don't be afraid to get in there, and you can swipe out as well. Your face will go a little bit red, that's great. That means it's working. And right out up to the eye, sweeping right out from under the eye and around the orbit of the eye. And you can complete the same at the top of the eye, just sweeping out. This is going to help rejuvenate skin, clear out any puffiness, especially if you're puffy under the eyes. A nice cool jade stone just pressed under the eye really helps. Frown lines, so you want to massage right into any 11sies that we work on with our cosmetic acupuncture treatments as well, and you can actually rub them out, getting in there with a good amount of pressure and really pushing the lines out. This is going to help to reset all of the fascia connections and the looking at clearing out the skin and any puffiness, of course, but also how the skin is actually connecting in with the muscle, the fascia layers underneath. And sweeping across the eyebrow as well. And of course, if we're getting into any lines here, again, putting a bit of pressure on, getting right into that line and massaging it out. You should feel it. It should feel a little bit tender, a little bit sore, and you know that you're working on those tight fascia connections under the skin, which is going to impact how bunched up the skin is going to be on top. So it's really nice to do that. And sweeping out through the temples as well, all the way through. You can get right into the hair as well, and often you should, because it actually works on all the muscles up through the back of the top of the scalp. And you can go as far back as you want. You're going to hit tender points as well. Feel free to massage them. They're great. They're going to help release any tension in the neck and shoulders and in the head. And you can go right back here for that extra neck treatment. So that's your express Gua Sha facial. You can spend as little or as long on those techniques as you like. Just making sure you're moving up and across and out. Don't be afraid to put a little bit of pressure on. You'll know if it feels a little bit too uncomfortable. Just work within what works for you. And if you've got more questions about Gua Sha, cosmetic acupuncture, or acupuncture, drop us a line here at Chi Medicine. We look forward to answering all your questions and helping you out, and helping you live your best and most beautiful life.